Anyway, maybe you cannot believe the headline that Mr. Ecclestone disinherits his two selfish bitch daughters, but I'm sure it is an headline we would all like to see. I have written to Mr. Ecclestone and asking him, please send all your money where it is needed most, in India's space program. People say to me, what about India's poor? What are you going to do about them? Well, let me tell you, I have not forgot about India's poor. They will be used as rocket fuel to get us to Mars. And our intention is to build a Taj Mahal on Mars. Yes, a 200-seater restaurant with its signature dish, Mars Attack. So, Mr. Ecclestone, please send all your money to me. I will make sure it gets to the right people. You bet I will. Thank you, Bernie. Bye-bye.